We are in Vegas for the biggest app conference of the year, MAU. On this trip, I have 3 specific goals. Land 5 new enterprise clients for Posted, shoot some dope content, try to speed run Posted to $500,000 in revenue. So between the chaos of being in the conference and being here in Vegas, I'm gonna try and extract all the valuable lessons that I can and share them here with you all. So stay tuned, it's gonna be a hectic one. Let's see how it goes. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is 6 a.m. and we are headed to MAU Vegas. Look who decided to show up to Vegas, baby. So this is Zach, the greatest designer of all time. And we actually met through 99 Designs. I was getting a new paywall designed. Zach made the best paywall. And then we continued working together. Here we are, however many years later, meeting in person, presenting our new product together. Full circle moment. Sure. Always nice being close to Vegas, coming from LA, being in a space where filming and being in public with other app founders is super valuable because this is something that I did to grow my last app, Puff Count, to $40,000 in monthly recurring revenue. I will be talking to app founders, be able to interview them, and I think it'll be great content and great growth marketing for the company. So as you can see, over the last 12 months, Posted has done close to 500,000. Right now we're in May, we're at 43,000 so far this month, and it's only the 20th. I think by the end of this month, we'll be able to get to $500,000 in gross volume. So that is the goal of the trip. Just woke up this morning, ripped some coffee, got some work done. Our entire dev team is based in Eastern Europe, so we were up nice and early at 7 a.m. this morning, talking with them. Today is the first big day of the expo, so there's going to be a bunch of talks. We have a full schedule. These are all the talks that we want to hit. It's going to be a full day today. We should be live from around 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. I'm going to be sure to bring my laptop, my backpack, everything, and just lock in. So let's do it. What's the main objective here?
To learn.
There's a lot of talks about marketing and content in general, which is kind of the realm that we operate in. So it should be a good day. Let's get it.
To fully flesh out, and we need cultural resonance.
Yo, in case you didn't know, the #1 Superwall affiliate. You're looking at him right here. Thank you, sir. Some nice swag. Dude, I have no idea what I'm about to do right now.
Ready?
Subscribe to the channel. Lower me down. A little bit more. I got short arms. I got short arms.
All right, snag a picture, hold up your prize.
Shout out Revenue Cat, one of the best tools on the market for your apps. Download it. They'll give you some free swag. All right, we're going undercover. I'm gonna go press Sensor Tower for an affiliate link because I've sent them so much business. If you've seen the channel, you've seen Sensor Tower, so let's see what happens. Hi, how's it going? Do you do any affiliate stuff with anyone?
Not often.
No?
We can get your info though and see if we can make something happen. Does that work?
Perfect. They were shook when I showed up. They were like, oh, you're the guy. No, I'm just kidding. They were not rocking with me. And I know I've sent them so much traffic, so I don't know, that's interesting. The Sensor Tower partnership is coming in soon. Taking a little break here to sip some coffee and kind of break down the notes that I took at MAU, where I think everyone can get value from the marketing side of things, is this concept of volume. The top apps are testing 20 to 50,000 pieces of content per year. So if you want to compete at that level, that's the type of volume that you need to be pushing in. I think a lot of brands and a lot of entrepreneurs and a lot of solo founders, they come on and they get discouraged when their first 1, 10, 15, 20, even 100 TikToks, short form pieces of content don't hit and don't do well for their brand. You need to be testing insane amounts of volume and have a structured process to test those pieces of content. I want to also go over how we are currently marketing Posted right now. The way we're marketing the app to creators is very simple. We're using Posted, we're using the platform to promote the platform, we're running contests, we're running deals, and we're taking the winning content and running it on paid ads. That's how we get more creators onto the app. We spent $0 on marketing, getting brands onto the platform, and as you saw at the beginning of the video, we're about to hit $500,000 in revenue. All of that traffic has come from my personal brand. I simply drop sauce, I drop value, and I always plug the product in all of my tweets and all my YouTube videos. So that's where all of the brands are coming from. With that being said, you know, that's why I'm here here at this conference to build my personal brand, to shake hands, to see people face to face that I only know online, and also from a higher level, really like understand how these brands are thinking and how these bigger companies are thinking and what their main focuses are, right? Marketing Posted here has been going great. I've been learning a ton. It's been a good experience. Just a bunch of app bros at the club, you know?
Yo.
The boys are rolling up.
Hey, you rolling in?
We're about to have a night.
Yes, sir. About to go crazy.
It's currently 10:13. We've already done a cool 4K this morning. Month to date, we're up over 10%. We've done $47,000 in volume. I think the reason for that is people are understanding how powerful the product is. And I don't think a lot of people know that Posted is free. You can try the platform for free for a month, and you can launch deals, which are also free. And creators will make content for you and show it to you, so you get to see that content for free. And you only pay for it if you love it. Everyone we've been telling that to at the conference has been mind blown. They're like, wow, this is a no-brainer. And it is. It truly is a no-brainer on Posted. You can try it out for free. And if it works for you, stick around. And if it doesn't, you risk absolutely nothing. These are the graphs that I'm most happy about. The new customers, successful payments graphs, up and to the right, scaling nicely, looking exponential. Let's go. It's fitting that this conference is in Vegas because building a mobile app is much like gambling, but you have the house edge. It's almost like you're counting cards because all the tools at your disposal. You can do market research, you can look on TikTok, you can look at Sensor Tower, you can ask all the founders in the space who are super open with what they're building. Anyone can build an app, and the space is wide open. That's one of the things I've learned at this conference is everyone's still trying to figure things out. There's so many different small little niche utility apps out there, and the space is still wide open for new people to come in and build an app and make a splash. So put your fucking chips on the table, take a bet on yourself, on your team, build something you're passionate about, it'll pay off. There's an absolutely packed schedule today, a bunch of amazing talks. I'm gonna try to hit them all. In between, you know, we've been taking notes from all of the conversations that we've been having with other founders. Back into the jungle, baby. We made it out of Vegas and we are back at the home setup here. Just wanted to take a quick minute to reflect on the trip as a whole. But before I do, make sure you are subscribed to the channel because I interviewed so many incredible app founders there. And I'm going to be dropping a video where I asked them how much they made and what their #1 piece of advice is for aspiring mobile app entrepreneurs. So be sure to stay tuned for that video. But yeah, reflecting on the trip, I mean, a lot happened. We were running around. It was definitely very tiring, running around and networking and meeting all these people in the space. It was super inspiring to see, you know, what everyone is working on and building. And it's pushed me to, you know, to go 10 times harder and 10 times faster. So with that being said, it was an amazing trip. First time meeting Zach, our head of product there. So I'm looking forward to the next one. Let me know if you like the vlogs like this. Let me know if you want me to do more of these. Leave it in the comments below. Would appreciate a subscription. If you loved the video, subscribe to the channel because again, I'm going to be dropping these interviews where I interviewed a bunch of incredible founders doing insane amounts of money per month, and that will be dropping soon on the channel. So I hope you enjoyed. All right, peace.